Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're looking at KAITO Coin and a critical price level that could make or break your trade. If you're holding KAITO or considering an entry, pay close attention. This support level is crucial. On the 12-hour chart, KAITO has been struggling to hold support at $1.36 for the past several days. The price has been bouncing up and down within a tight range, showing clear signs of uncertainty. The concern? There's no strong support below this level. If KAITO loses this key price point, there's no telling how far it could drop. On the other hand, every attempt to push higher has been met with rejection, making an upward breakout unlikely for now. If you're holding KAITO, setting a stop loss around $1.21 could help manage risk. A decisive bounce from support could signal a potential recovery, but without strong momentum, downside risk remains high. At this point, opening a new trade might not be the best move. Waiting for confirmation, either a breakout above resistance or a breakdown below support, could be the safer approach. Remember, this is just an analysis, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any trades. If you found this update helpful, like the video and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next one.